In October 2019, Giga Tech Limited was the first to introduce the robust and dynamic eKYC solution in Bangladesh, with proprietary technologies such as Giga Tech's own face matching, OCR, and NID verification technologies. During this pandemic time, in the last 1.5 years, Giga eKYC has enabled more than 15 financial institutions to onboard over 3.1 million citizens from all parts of the country into the financial ecosystem, ensuring easy, authentic, and automated customer onboarding process.
Giga eKYC is a seamless and secure journey which enables customer to onboard in a minute, confirming all anti-money laundering policies. The solution has also been vetted by Bangladesh Bank. Furthermore, it reduces a lot of costs for the financial institution as well.
Digital onboarding solution covers electronic KYC verification and digital account opening for several products like retail, products for women, employee banking, SME banking, agent banking, Islamic banking, deposit and card products. Services such as internet banking, checkbook, SMS banking can also be requested from this platform.
Giga Tech's vision is by 2025, we want to enable all financial institutions to onboard every citizen of this country, be it rural or urban, male or female. Every micro-enterprises, SMEs and large businesses are included in the financial ecosystem.